Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I'm basically gonna be shoving the same Galaxy S10 unboxing down your throat since you probably saw these videos at least 102 times. Unless you were waiting for mine specifically, which you probably weren't.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Okay, roll the intro. Alright, so yes, I finally got my Galaxy S10 Plus after it being delayed and even FedEx taking longer than usual, so yeah, they just don't want me to have this phone, I guess. But here's the cool thing about mine. So I didn't get the Snapdragon one even though I live in the US. I actually got the international one with the Exynos processor, so that's gonna be interesting. And with that, I even got an SD card to come with it, which is really cool. It's not a Samsung one, but it's cool. And I had actually got this off of Amazon, so let's get into this. And that was the reason why I was delayed, because it's SD card. But yeah, just go ahead and get into this thing. So man, I'm so excited. I got the S9 Plus recorded right now. I'm gonna upgrade from that as soon as I go ahead and get to this S10 Plus. Alright, so S10 Plus, pretty clean box. Let me get the S9 Plus box real quick. Definitely got some differences here. They actually said this is eco-friendly, so that's nice of them. Same with the Galaxy Buds, so pretty cool. And yeah, the whole box is different. So let me put that to the side and we can look at this real quick. So S10 Plus, and my watch is going off right now. But S10 Plus actually got the Prism White. I did not expect so many YouTubers to get the Prism White. Like, I know, now I'm just basic because I got the same color as everybody else. I didn't expect that. It's a nice color though, it's like, you gotta be honest. So let's look on the left side, just Galaxy S10 Plus. On the right side, we got nothing. Here at the bottom, we just got info, and at the top, we got nothing. And at the back, they got the specs on here, but they actually made like less info on here. Look at this S9 Plus box real quick. So we got the packaging contents and all that here, but we don't it here, so that's interesting. But I'm not gonna go ahead and read that there. So if you want to go ahead and read it, you can go ahead and pause it and read for yourself, but I'm not gonna do that. But alright, let's get into this box here because I'm just ready. I've just been looking out for FedEx all day, basically stalking them, but finally came, so there we go. I need to get me a white stone dome screen protector because it comes with one, but I heard it's crap, so yeah, I'm not really gonna stick with that. But here's my S10 Plus here. So I can't really show off the S9 Plus right now because I'm recording with it, but it's definitely like a lot slimmer. And it just feels nicer, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's the screen protector that comes on the phone there. Like I said, I heard it's crap. It doesn't really work well with the actual fingerprint scanner, so I don't know about that. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but let's just go ahead and peel this off and let's just look around the phone real quick. Those are some nice colors, man. It actually looks like more of a blue than a white. I mean, it is blue right now, but let's just go and peel this plastic. That's the back. It actually used to go all the way around, so I guess it's just the front and back. I just took off that other one. It wasn't really satisfying, but I think that was the one that came on the phone. But yeah, whatever. So even though you saw the S10 Plus unboxes, I'm gonna show you around anyways. So on the front, we have our earpiece here. At the top, we have our hole punch cameras right there. On the side here, we have our volume buttons and our customizable Bixby button. And on the right side, we have our power button. And on the back, we got a Samsung logo on the cameras. So we got the 3 cameras this time, and then we got the flash and the heart rate monitor, so I'm glad they kept that. At the top, we have our SIM card and SD card slot here, so I think this might be dual SIM. I'm not sure though, I gotta see. We have our microphone right there, which is pretty nice. At the bottom, we got our headphone jack, we got a USB Type-C, we got another microphone, and we got the speakers. On the S9 Plus, it has like a hole in there for the speaker basically, so pretty cool. They switched back to the S8. I don't really see the benefit of that, but whatever. But let's go ahead and turn this on, and the power button's like unusually high. Like, I don't know if I like that or not. Why do I get notifications when I do an unboxing? Come on now. But actually, before I do that, let's look around the box some more. So we have a different unboxing experience here. So like I said, since I got the international one, I got this international brick here. So it kind of sucks, but it's whatever. We got our Samsung OTG adapter there, so we can plug in the keyboard and the mouse or use smart switch, what I'm about to do. So cool there. And here, I'm pretty sure we got the charger and all that. Looks like we do in there. So yeah, like I was saying, we got our USB Type-C cord here. So it matches the color of the phone, all the accessories do, so that's nice. Especially since they didn't have AKG headphones that was white before. So now they have white headphones to go with your white phone, so cute. Now, I'm not really going to use these things because I have the Galaxy Buds and I just like using wireless headphones over wired headphones, but maybe there's one day I might want to use them. So, I mean, I guess these where these come in. But yeah, same headphones as the S9 Plus and all that. So Maybe it sounds better, but I don't think so. And that was it for the box, so now we can go and turn this thing on. And I said this before and I'm gonna say it again. I think the Samsung logo is just too big. I like it how it was on the S9 Plus and all that. I said that for my Tab S4 unboxing. Yes, I do have a Tab S4 if you're new here, so I know I'm a Samsung fanboy. If you want to subscribe, you can. I'd appreciate that. But we're starting up here, same Samsung startup here, so I mean, it's nothing really different. Starting Android, and we're gonna see this here in a second. There we go. And that's Bixby.
Get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
I don't know if this is louder or not, but maybe it is. So I'm gonna go and set up this thing, fast forward, and we'll get to the phone a little bit.
This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
And we are in the phone here, so I like how they did the wallpaper too. Like everybody said that, but I like it too. Creative Samsung, creative, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the iPhone background on here with the camera, you know what I'm talking about. You can see it on screen right now, but that's what I'm gonna say. And yes, so I really don't have anything to do right now. I just want to go and do the power share with the Galaxy Buds real quick and I'll get out of here. So wireless power share here, we have 48%, so we should be able to do it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these here on the back. And is it charging? Yes, it is charging. Man, that is cool. Let's just go and take these off real quick, and I'm gonna put my Gear S2 on here because I don't know if that works or not. I'll try the Gear S3 in another video, but wireless power share on the Gear S2, does it work? We gotta move it around. Okay, there we go. So it is charging. I don't know if it's gonna stay charging or not, but it's charging. So yeah, I could definitely see myself using that a lot. I'm gonna definitely have to get a screen protector before I do that because I'm not trying to scratch the screen when I have it face down, but oh wait, it just stopped charging. I'll have a video on this soon, what's compatible and what's not compatible. So that was pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
This is a Chucky Beat production.